Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer, and today we will talk about Docker images, containers, and volumes. Uh, First of all, I want you to know if you are working on any custom project, you are building a product, or you have an idea, you can discuss it with us by booking a session, and it's free. You can visit the link and submit this form from the description. Well, let's get started with the video. Docker images. First of all, we will cover this one, then containers, and then volumes. It will always become uh, in the sequence. Okay. So at first, we will understand Docker image. Docker image is a full uh, machine, or you can take it as a complete operating system which has your code, uh, your packages to run that code. Like if you have a uh, let me not the projects. Let me get some project artificial intelligence. So that image will contain your files, all of the source code, your packages like NumPy, Flask, etc. Right? Everything, and even the operating system. So if you are saying like I am using a Linux distribution, so it will contain that, right? And then to run this operating system and your code and everything, to run this machine, you have to use a container, right? This is the container which will run this Docker image, right? And this container, you can take it as the hardware, right? In simple terms. So image will contain everything related to your code. Docker will, container will run it, right? And you can think of it as practical with the cloud services. So you create an image, they have containers, you just send your image to their containers and they run it, right? And uh, to handle these containers we use Kubernetes. Maybe we will talk about that also, but uh, these days everything is automatically managed by the cloud services, so you upload or run images, and then everything is already set up by those cloud services like GCP, AWS, Azure, right? Okay, so now to build this Docker image, we use Dockerfile, right? Next video will be on that, how we can use a Dockerfile to build an image. But there is one more thing. You can just say Docker Hub, and there are pre-built images present in this Docker registry, or uh, you can think of it as a database of images. So you can pull out uh, the images from this website also. I was creating an image for Llama 2. If you guys know about this model, let me know. Okay, so you can just say I want to use a Python 3.10 version, right? So you will get images related to that, this one, right? And Docker official image will be the one which is coming from official Docker. So Python is Docker official image. So you can use all of your Python logic with this image, right? Okay, so I hope you understand the Docker image and container. Okay, so now let's talk about the volumes. Okay, so you are, let's say you are uh, running a Docker container which is uh, which has this code, right? And this code is using a model, a machine learning model, digit recognizer.h5. Otherwise, this is a TensorFlow model which is being loaded here. And now think of it as this file is in your Docker container or image, right? So if you want to modify this model now, you have to again create an image and then run the container from that image, right? But if you mount a volume which points this model directory into your operating system, into this operating system, then whenever you change a thing here, or you change this file content here, this digit recognizer model, you upgrade it and you just replace it with the same name, because here you are using this name, and then it will automatically get updated to your Docker image or container, because that way it will create a variable link, or uh, you can say it will point out to this file, and you change something here, it will reflect it on your Docker image. And if you change something on your Docker image, it will change or reflect the changes into your local system, right? So this is the concept of Docker image, container, and volumes. Okay, so I hope you get the point. It will be much more easier when we will see how we can use these concepts, and I hope it will come. Let me see. We will talk about Docker file, then Docker ignore, then I will use practical to demonstrate how we can Dockerize a bunch of stuff. Okay. I hope you like the video. I'll meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching.